Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Australia's participation rate will be released at 1:30 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 23:01 GMT. The Eurozone's construction output at 9 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Nippon Steel's $14.9 billion acquisition of US Steel closed on Wednesday, the company said, confirming an unusual degree of power for President Donald Trump after the Japanese company's 18-month struggle to close the purchase. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady and policymakers signaled borrowing costs are still likely to fall this year, but slowed the overall pace of expected future rate cuts in the face of estimated higher inflation flowing from the Trump administration's tariff plans. Coinbase is expanding its partnership with clearinghouse Nodal Clear to bring Circle's USDC stablecoin into US futures markets as eligible collateral. USDC will now be accepted as collateral for margined futures trading, a move designed to encourage stablecoin adoption in regulated derivatives markets.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.